Good afternoon, guys. It's currently 3:40 p.m. And as you can see, this is a screenshot taken from my phone at precisely 11:30 a.m. today on Saturday the 26th. Anyhow, price dumped and we got a nice dead cat bounce to the top side. We also got bearish divergence here. As you can see, we got a lower low there. Sorry, a lower high and then a higher high, which shows the price of I can't talk today, which shows weakness in the price and a slowing down of momentum. As you can see, the momentum was up, 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 up. And then as we got to here, you can see price started slowing down, bang, couldn't go that much higher. Now we're slowing down. I've seen this before, so I thought I'm a short, stop loss nice and safe above the highs. And I'm targeting lower prices. So that was on AVAX. And I saw the same thing on Bitcoin. So I thought I would enter on that as well. As you can see, we were at a 0.5 fib level, and as well as today's point of control, you can see we were kind of like struggling here. We had the liquidity sweep above these highs, so we got the move down, and then it was only a matter of time before we started moving down, which is why I entered these shorts. I am targeting the weekend low. Don't worry, I will jump on the real chart in a second after these screenshots. So next one, this is me in negative because on my AVAX trade, that's why I entered, but you can see that on AVAX, that's where I entered. Price started moving up. Luckily, my stop loss, well, not luckily, skillfully, my stop loss was way up here. So any movement above any liquidity sweeps, I'm safe. So we start moving up, and that's when I was in negative. As you can see, my positions are short, sell AVAX, and sell on Bitcoin. Anyhow, as you can see, my balance is 49,122 because I lost previously, and my equity is 48,850. That's from a 50k balance. Anyhow, you can see we got to the top, but I wasn't scared. On Bitcoin on the 5 minute, you can see this was a high that I was scared of Bitcoin taking out. Because obviously my stop loss is there, so I would have got stopped out at 1%. Anyhow, we started moving down, and as you can see, I'm in a bit of profit. And I am in more profit. This was, so as you can see, the time here, 2:10 p.m. on a Saturday, and now 50 minutes later, 51 minutes later, I'm up a grand from 200. And then just look how much AVAX can make you, like literally from 55 to 700 in 50 minutes. Name a job that can do you that. Anyhow, half an hour later, 1.5. So in half an hour, went up $300, which is £600 an hour. That's the rate. Anyhow, Bitcoin's moving down as well. Okay, and that's the end of the screenshots. And now if I come to the charts, well, if I show you where I am now on my MT5 account, these are the positions, AVAX and Bitcoin. And I'm still up a grand on AVAX. And I'll show you the position. You can see I shorted from the top, stop loss is just above. Let's see where we can target. It's pretty stupid risk to reward ratio targeting these lows. But let's just see what happens. I'll probably start taking profits at around some of these fib levels. Let me just quickly draw them on. Go back off, will ya? Fib level from the bottom to the top of the moves. Got 382 there, which we haven't hit, so we're going to come claim 0.5 at this low. And the 618 right here. I'll probably start taking profits at 786 or 618. We'll see. On the real chart, this is the AVAX chart in real time. You can see that I'm currently, well, AVAX is dropping. There's not really much else to say. And Bitcoin is doing the same. So hopefully this 382 level doesn't hold and we can smash through it after rejecting up to 0.5. I basically want the chart to do, sorry, I want the price to do something like this, coming over and just rolling back down to claim the low, to then do that and come back up to take the high. I drew that a bit wrong, sorry. Let me just perfect this. Got the round, claim the low, acceptance back above, retest, come claim the high. That's my prediction. I got an alert set for Bitcoin to break down below there. Other than that, it's a waiting game. Cheers. And as you can see, guys, it is currently 9:21 and I am depressed because I didn't take profit. As you can see, I shorted and look at that drop down. 382 decided to 382 decided it wanted to hold. And now we're back at entry. I've been stopped out of my Bitcoin trade. Got my AVAX trade still over here. See if that can revive me. But Bitcoin decided to stop me out. So from just over 2K, which is more than 4 RR, I decided to hold, and I'm probably going to get stopped out, and now my account balance is going to get negative, even more negative, and so I'm going to go cry now, and no, I'm joking. It is what it is, isn't it? Comeback's harder. We come back harder and move on, innit? Should have taken profit, mate. Look at all that money I missed out on. That was a solid 1 to 4 right there. Why the fuck did I not take that? But I wanted to target the lows, you know? So see what happens. I'm definitely gonna get stopped out, but hey ho. Good evening, guys. Currently 8 p.m. As you can see, I have been stopped out my trades. Both of them I have been stopped out of. As you can see, my recent Bitcoin SFP been stopped out. As you can see, that rhymed. If I was aiming for 1 to 2, I would have been a successful trade, but no, I wasn't aiming for a 1 to 2. So as you can see, greed got the best of me and stopped me out. So I really, really need to just target 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s minimum, man. Honestly. And look at this AVAX trade. You can see this would have been a solid 1 to 3. A solid 1 to 3 trade coming to the 382 fib level. But no, I wanted more. I wanted a 1 to 6. And as you can see, the market has paid me back, or basically taught me a lesson, is what I'm trying to say. Taught me a lesson to take profit at 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Okay, it's not that hard. Anything more than that is a blessing, and I should just take it. Yeah. But as of now, it's been well, profit wise, it's been a rubbish weekend, to say the least. But never give up, never back down. Always get back up, always learn from your lessons. L means lesson. So I took an L, but it's a lesson. So I guess that would be the end of this video. So thank you guys for watching. If you stayed to the end, and if you stayed to the end, and I know you're a real one, or at least in terms of trying to get, trying to understand and learn trading. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions. I will answer. Don't worry, I don't get any comments, so I will see your comment. And take care. Goodbye.